Angel Stationery. Today I come across this zebra pen pack of 10. Here I'm going to try it in my notebook. Looks good. I also come across the Sonic's gel pens. Pack of 12 from Staples. Really slick. Now let's give it a try. Oh, it's got one of those ballpoints. Always remember the ballpoints. It's got nice grips. Also from Staples is the mechanical pencils, pack of 12. Okay, let's open it up. Here it is. Nice grip. And also push it out to get to the pencil lid. That's it for today. The classic zebra pens. You've got the Sonic's gel pens from Staples, and you've got the mechanical pencil from Staples,